If you want to know how to tie bow tie head wrap using Ankara material on your head by yourself, let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
W, the crafty producer.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Yes, so my people, today I want to show you how to achieve bow tie head wrap style using this Ankara. This material is called Ankara. Some people call it was. So my people, if you want to use this type of material, the first thing you will make sure you fold the material into to fold it so that the material will be more thicker. So what you will do next, you place it on your leg, you start creating the front plaiting. So, and the measurement of this style, we divide it 40-60. So the 40 is the shorter part, the 60 is the longer part. Please concentrate your eye on my hand and see how I do the folding. With your concentration, you understand it proper. You can watch this video again and again and again. So my people, if you have nice hair style like the hair I have on my head, you can do more plaiting. Try and do more plaiting because there is no need for you to reserve anyone when you are creating your front plaiting. If you don't have a nice style, just do like 5 plaiting or 4. You reserve enough material for you to cover your back side. Okay, now we are going to raise our hand. Before you raise your hand, you take all the plaits that you already fold, take them one after the other. Make sure you take them one after the other. Don't pack them. Don't pack it. Just take them one after the other. Then you raise your 2 hands. This tie is very unique if you know how to tie it. I always teach them how to use ashoke, but today I decided to use Ankara because we always have leftover. After you sew your dress, your gown, you always have leftover of this extra, the one that is left over in your gown. So some people don't know what to use, what to do with the leftover. You can use it to create nice style on your head when you are going to church or when you are going out. Okay, so my people, place it on your leg, you cross it at the back. Anytime you want to cross it at the back, the shorter one always go up and the longer one go down. Okay, now you do your twisting, and if you are doing your twisting, twist it to the front side. Don't twist it to the back side. If you twist it to the back side, your head wrap will not look strong, will not look so firm. Okay, now you raise your hand. So focus your eye on the particular spot. So the shorter one is what you will use to knot. You see, see the way I do it. The shorter one, which is the 40, use it to take it and knot. Make sure the shorter part come to the front side. Then you make sure you position that the twisting at the both sides. Make sure you position them proper. You knot again. Make sure your knot is the way you tight it is very tight. Okay, my people, see the secret of the bow. So this 60, now you open it wide, then you start folding it from the middle. Just focus your eye. See, by the time you get to you fold it, just use this 40, take it from the front and take it to the back. Okay, that is it, my people. Take it to the back side and use pin. Use pin to protect use pin to protect it. It's like that. In case today is the first time you see my video, my name is Dead Beauty. I'm based here in United Kingdom, London. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. If you are watching me from YouTube, I have Facebook as well. If you are watching me from Facebook, I have 2 Facebook. I have YouTube. The name of my Facebook is Dead Beauty, and the other of my Facebook is Dead Beauty Live. We always do live on video. We have fun. And my YouTube as well, I have YouTube Dead Beauty. The new YouTube I just create, guys, please, the link of the YouTube will be on the description box of this video. Please use the link to go to my new YouTube channel. See, if you want to see the link, is on my this video. Go to my video, this particular video on my YouTube channel. Go to the description box. You will see the link there. So all the video I drop in that new channel is with explanation. All the video that is coming from Facebook, that I do live on Facebook with explanation, I bring them to that my new YouTube. Please try and go and subscribe to my new YouTube. Thank you for your understanding. Echo. Now, you see the way I use pin to protect it. I hope you people are concentrating your eye. You see the way I use pin, the area that I need pin, use pin. So once you use pin to secure the both side for front, then you now do your folding. You fold, see the way I'm going to fold it. Now, this is where the bow tie will appear now. Fold, you fold it inside, then you use pin. Then the way you do this side, you still do the other side the same way. If you follow the step by step of this head wrap tutorial, you can do it. It's very easy, very easy. So it's very easy, my people. In case this style, you don't like this style, or you feel it's too difficult for you, go to my YouTube channel, Tech Beauty. I have more than 400 videos there. Go and watch different style. I have 3 minutes video, church head wrap style, 2 minutes video, difficult style, simple style. I have different type of video there. Makeup video, I have many videos there that will help you, my people. Go to my YouTube, it's there. And if you want to see makeup video with explanation, go to my YouTube of Deck Beauty Life. Chronic explanation is there. Okay, this is almost the final. We are almost there. Just focus. When you watch this video like 2 to 3 times, you will understand it, and try and do practice. Practice make perfect. Okay, my people, let me go back to my advert. In case you want to do any event, book me for your event. I'm available to travel worldwide. We do makeup, we do gele, we do the bridal hair, we do the traditional bridal hair as well. Yes, I give it to you the way you want it. Yes, so my people, this is the final. This is what we call Bowtie Ankara gele. Operation do it yourself. Try and learn, so that when you are going to church, you will not be frustrated. You can know how, you will know how to do your hair tie by yourself. Yes, so this is the final. Please don't forget to leave your comment down below for me. Share and like. See you on my next video. Please follow me on my Facebook, my 2 Facebook. Subscribe to my 2 YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye. Let me put my music. Bye.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they